We are just going to do a low impact, easy 20-minute workout. So let's get started. Let's just warm up by doing a few little stretches. We're going to stretch overhead like this and over here. Okay, ready? Up to tempo. Okay, keep going. Okay, we're going to stretch up, and then we're going to clasp our hands behind our back and stretch through that chest. So we're going to look up, stretch through that, and side again. Okay, stretch through the chest. Lift your arms back like this. Get a bigger stretch. Okay. And stretch back. One more. And stretch. Okay, we're going to warm up the lower body by just doing a few little squats. Just warming up for right now. Okay, reach, alternating arms. Okay, we're going to do shoulders now. Just roll the shoulders. Okay, and alternate arms. Okay, let's do a full arm rotation. Reach all the way back, each arm. Okay, and alternate elbow, elbow, arm, arm. Okay, shake that out. Okay, we're going to pick up the pace just a little bit and do some reaches to the side with a lunge. So we'll go over the differences, but we're going to reach side, side, up and side, down, and up. Go up, side, down, up, down. Okay, let's start that over. Okay, ready? We're going to do some knees, and we're going to raise the knee and step back. So knee and touch back. We stretch out the calf just a little bit here. We're going to speed that up to tempo. 1, back, up, back. Okay, now we're going to add an arm. Reach up. I'm losing my balance a little bit. That happens. Okay, we're going to go to the other side. And knee up and down. Knee up and down. Okay. Okay, now add our arm up, down. You can always leave out the arms. You don't have to do the arms, either because of balance or you're running out of breath. Okay. Do a few arm reaches in the middle here. So reach up, up. Keep going. Okay, we're gonna add in the little legs in here. So keep going with the arms, down and up. Are your arms burning yet? Woo! Okay, take it down, just do squats. That was my hip popping, but it's all right. Okay, let's try this again. Start by marching it out. Okay, we're gonna reach side, rotate, up, and back. Side, rotate, up, and reach. So we're gonna go reach, side, with a lunge, up, and then reach to the other side. So it's gonna look like this. Let's do a few more of these. Now, if this is too much, just go to here. Just do the arms. Okay, let's do the other side. So we're going to start over here. We're going to reach, switch, and then reach over to the other arm. Okay, ready? Hopefully we can get all this down. Reach, rotate, up, reach. I'm starting to breathe a little bit. Woo! Okay, keep it in the center. Okay, start doing some taps, side taps. Okay, and reach, reach. Other side. Ready? Reach. Now, in all of these, you don't have to use the arms. You just stay here. It's like in hitch, you know, just stay here. This is where you're gonna stay. Okay, now we're just gonna do bend and lift to the side. Okay, and then we're gonna lift to the back. So heads up for that. So it's bend, side. Okay, now go to the back. Oh, too close. Okay, I'm gonna go to the other side. Ready? Bend, side. Okay, to the back. Okay, center it up. Okay, do more. Step, tap. Okay, make it a little bit bigger. And then we're gonna add in an arm. Right here, we're gonna go reach, reach. I think I should do a dance video soon. It could be fun. Tell me what you think. Okay, we're gonna go back to some knees. It'll be like if you've ever taken step class, you're gonna step up, step, step, other knee. So if you had a step here, you would step on the step, knee up, down, down, step, knee up. Okay, like that. I think I missed that step there. Oops. Okay, to the side. Step, knee. Oh, this is great. Okay, step it out. Let's take a few big, deep breaths. Okay, we're going to go into our cool down now. Hope that got your heart rate up. I hope that you got a little workout. I know I'm breathing, so let's just cool it down a little bit. Big deep breaths. And reach over, stretch out your sides again. Other side. Okay, we're gonna stretch out your shoulder, bend down. Other side. Other side. Okay, stretch out your calf. Okay, other side. Roll it out. Shake it, breathe deep. I hope you had a good time. I did. So stick with me. Next time, maybe there'll be a little dancing in there. I don't know. Have a great day. Okay, being postmenopause and getting older is not for wussies. It is pretty hard. This morning, I was stretching my legs because I just got back of a long flight, and there was this crackling in my knee. So I looked it up. I'm like, doing deep dive, what's this crackling? It means I have old knees. Yeah, this is my life now. Old knees. If anybody can relate, let me know. But it's just everything, just holding on to it for dear life. So let me know if you share the same thing.